ሄሎ ጤና ይስጥልን እንደምን ሰነበታችሁ ዛሬ ዱድሊን በመጠቀም እንዴት አድርጋችሁ የሂሳብ ኤክስፕሬሽኖችን መግለጽ እንደምትችሉ ለማሳየት ነው ቪዲዮን ለመቅረጽ ለምትፈልጉ ሰዎች creating mathematical expression in Doodly. So how do we do it? It's simple. ለምሳሌ አሁን እዚህ ጋር ያሉት mathematical expressionዎችን በመጠቀም እንጠቀምባቸው ብንል they are PNGs. Since they are PNGs, we cannot use them as much as we want to do. We cannot change any of this. It's just a picture. የምታዩት ነገር ፒክቸር ነው ምኑንም የትኛውንም ቁጥር መቀየር አትችሉም እና ይሄ almost ለኔ እንደ ዩዝለስ ነው ማየው በተመሳሳይ መልኩ ይሄንኛውንም ልጠቀም ብል እንደምታዩት የሚያስገባው እንዳለ ፒክቸሩን as is ነው ምኑንም መቀየር አልችልም ስለሆነም ቀላሉ መንገድ ለምሳሌ ሰሚሽን ማድረግ ከፈለኩኝ ወይ ፍራክሽን ማድረግ ከፈለኩኝ ለየብቻ ማስገባት እቺን አንድ አስገባለሁ እቺ በደንብ አሳንሳትና write a fraction I make the smallest possible then I have this question mark I have I'll bring it right here on top of it and there I can write a number let's say 4 and then I copy the same number and put it at the bottom 5 done now I have a fraction so that's one way you could write a fraction if you want to write integration or summation you could do the same thing just bring in make it smaller bring it down here say I is equal to 0 we're gonna write the same equation we saw earlier I is equal to 0 done you can make this even smaller if you want right there and let's see the equation was what y is equal to okay so and at the top it is 10 copy down bring it down there 10 so from 0 starting from 0 up to 10 what do we do add x of I x of I even if you didn't like that I we could do copy paste we could do this remove that I okay come back in here I know it's gonna be a lot of work but at least it is something that you can control how you want to make it act like that and then y is equal to okay and done so that's how I do it fraction y is equal to the summation of if you want you can get it even closer y is equal to the summation of I is equal to 0 starting from 0 up to 10. So this means add each number starting from 0 up to 10. That's it. The summation of I is equal to 0, xi up to 10. So you keep iterating until you reach 10. Okay, let's try this one. The same thing. I start with this, the copy, bring it somewhere here, make it a little bit smaller, and then copy, paste, bring that on top. The one on top is 1. If you want to make it a little smaller, copy, paste, bring it at the bottom. Just 2. Make it a little larger. XA. I'll just capitalize it. I have to have a small letter x. Okay. XA square. Bring it up here and make sure it is very small. And we need also a negative number. I mean a negative sign. Move it a little up. Maybe get it closer. After that, just closer. So that's how I would write. Oh, actually, the middle one is big. So let's reduce it a little bit and center it back. That's how I do it. Now, if you preview it, it's gonna play nicely. Over 5, the summation of I is equal to 0 up to 10 xi. That is our question. Y is equal to the sum of 0 up to 10. Okay. You could do the same thing with the integration. They have all of them here. Roots, I used this earlier actually. So if you want to find a root of something, all you have to do is bring this a little smaller. Let's say the cube root of, I'll grab this. The cube root of 3 times 3, no, 4 times 4, 16, 16 times 4 is 64. So let's find the cube root of 64. See that how nicely it fits right there? Beautiful. Let's preview that part. So if you want to pass all this, the one you already watched, just keep jumping until you reach the last one you want to see. Okay, that's it. The cube root of 64. Nice.